Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from Portland Leather Goods and trying to show you the bee on the stickers. I believe when it has a bee sticker on the side, that means it's from their almost perfect quality. So let's see how this looks. I bought this one from their clearance sales. If you haven't checked their website lately, they have added a clearance sale page on their website, which is great for everyone, right? Better sales, better price, and better for everyone. And this one is their Rolltop Backpack. It was on sale, I think probably 130 something, and if you have points with them, you can apply the points, so you can even get it cheaper. But unfortunately, they no longer provide free shipping, even though if you purchase more than $275. That was a number they were testing for free shipping, but they are no longer providing free shipping, so just buy what you want and it is what it is, right? This is how it looks, a little bit big. Their thank you card. I'm glad it's not raining because I just wrapped in tissue paper. Let's take the bag out. So this is not the first time I'm seeing a Rolltop backpack from them, because my friend actually has one. I think he has a cold brew one. I remember one time when we got together at a coffee shop and he brought the bag, and I was shocked to see he was also using a Portland Leather Goods Rolltop backpack. And he told me his mom bought it for him. So I was quite impressed by the quality. That's why I've been considering getting one from them. Personally, I don't use backpack that often, so I try to wait for better sales, and now they have better sale for this Sedona color and their black pebble color. Hopefully when this video is out, the clearance page is still available. And let's take a look. The front of it, the back of it, and this is the strap to buckle up, the back strap. I don't think anything wrong with this bag. I'll have to say that I think Portland Leather Goods has the best quality in terms of their on sales items. I know sometimes other companies, they do sales, they do like discounted items, but you tend to see more scratches, more marks. But I think Portland Leather Goods, they are pretty good with their like almost perfect or their sales items. Let's take the stuffing out. Trying to smell the bag. Smell pretty good. I think that's what we do. People who love Portland Leather Goods bag, we like the leather smell. Sometimes people do complain about certain color has some chemical smell, but so far, personally, I never encountered that. Every bag I got has this nice leather smell. So I guess I've been lucky. I think because they use chrome tan leather, and there is they use a chromium, I think it's a chromium chemical to tan the leather. So sometimes when they deliver the bag too fast from the factory to customer, that could happen. But so far, I personally, I don't have that experience. It's basically a just big giant hole, a really big piece of leather. The construction of it, the bottom part, front and back, is one piece, and then look like the front is a big piece. The back of it, it does have, I think, two two pieces pieced together. So this is the construction of this bag. And interestingly, the back and the front, they are different width. The front is wider and the back is narrower. I wonder how that would look if I really roll it. Trying to figure out. I'm not familiar with rolltop backpack. I think it would be easier to maneuver if I have something inside, but right now it's empty. Let's still just roll it. Yeah, I think that's the look, right? You do see the back side when you roll it. The back side is wider, that's why you do see this kind of a line going across, which is pretty cool. I'm pretty good with my roll. I don't smoke, but I used to try to be a sushi chef before when I was young, but that was a long time ago. Let's buckle it up. So this is how it looks if you buckle it out at the shoulders length, and this would be the size. The strap, let's try it on. The strap feels pretty comfortable. This kind of reminded me of a bucket bag that's very popular right now, the shape of it. But generally, bucket bag is more shorter and rounder. Not sure any company makes a taller bucket bag or not. Let me know if you have seen some. So it would unroll a little bit because right now I don't have anything inside. But I believe if you fill it to the top, it would hold in shape better when you have some pressure from the inside. And it has this top handle, so it's easier to grab if you use it for travel, like on the airplane when you need to pull it out. I do see some light scuff mark here, but I noticed with Portland leather goods bags, a lot of them, as long as it's not the brushed leather version, you can actually just rub it with some healing balm, the leather conditioner. Marks usually they would go away. Can't stop smelling it. It's really nice. Now I'm tempted to get the black one too, but since I don't use backpack that much, I think I will settle with this one for now, since they are going to release more colors for their camera bag. I'll wait for that. I love it, and this is really a great price. I would encourage you to check out their clearance page. If they still have this item on sales, grab it before it's gone. Thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.